Welcome to my YouTube channel Learning English. Thank for watching video.
Basic questions and answers. Hi.
Hello.
Are you free this evening?
Yes, I am free.
Will you come with me?
Yes. Where are we going?
Can you guess?
I am not sure.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the movies.
What kind of movie do you like?
I like comedy movies.
Did you hear the news?
Yes. It is very serious.
What do you know?
I don't know much.
How much did you pay?
I paid $250.
Was there any discount?
Yes, I got 10% discount.
What is in your bag?
There is a laptop in my bag.
What did you say?
I said laptop.
Is this the right place?
No, it is the wrong place.
Are you listening properly?
Yes, I am listening carefully.
What are you doing?
I am writing your sentences.
Do you repeat after me?
Yes, when I want to practice.
Is it easy to practice English?
Yes, it is good for beginners.
Do you want advanced sentences?
Yes, I want some topics.
Basic conversation. Hi, how are you?
Hello. I am good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. What are you doing today?
I am going to the park.
Oh, that sounds nice. Can I join you?
Sure. Come with me.
What time are we going?
We are going at 3 o'clock.
Do you want to walk or take a bus?
I prefer walking. It's healthy.
Great. Can you bring water?
Yes, I will bring some water.
Do you like the park?
Yes, it's very beautiful.
What do you do at the park?
I like to walk, read, and relax.
That sounds fun. I like it too.
Do you come to the park often?
Yes, I come here every weekend.
That's nice. Let's go together next time.
Sure, I would love that. Conversation about sports. Hi, do you like sports?
Hello. Yes, I like sports.
What sport do you like the most?
I like basketball.
Oh, that's cool. Do you play basketball?
Yes, I play on the weekend.
I like soccer. Do you play soccer too?
No, I don't play soccer.
Do you watch basketball on TV?
Yes, I watch it sometimes.
Who is your favorite player?
My favorite player is LeBron James.
He's a great player. I like him too.
Do you have a favorite soccer player?
Yes, I like Messi.
He's amazing. What do you do after playing sports?
After playing, I usually eat and rest.
That sounds good. Do you want to play together sometime?
Yes, I would love to play with you.
Let's plan for next Saturday.
Okay, it's a deal. At the store. Hi, can I help you?
Yes, I am looking for a shirt.
What size do you need?
I need medium size.
What color do you want?
I want a blue shirt.
Here is a blue shirt. Do you like it?
Yes, I like it. How much is it?
It's $20.
That's a good price. I will take it.
Great. Please follow me to the counter. At the bus stop. Excuse me, is this the bus to the airport?
Yes, this bus goes to the airport.
How long does it take?
Takes about 30 minutes.
When does the bus leave?
The bus leaves at 10 a.m.
Oh, I missed it. When is the next one?
The next bus is at 10:30 a.m.
Thank you. I will wait for the next one.
You're welcome.
In the library. Hi, I need a book.
What book are you looking for?
I'm looking for an English dictionary.
It's in the language section.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need help.
I found it. How can I borrow it?
You need to sign in at the counter.
Okay, I will do that now.
Enjoy reading.
Making plans. What are you doing this weekend?
I am not sure yet. What about you?
I'm thinking of going to the beach.
That sounds fun. Can I join you?
Of course. It will be great.
When are we going?
Let's go on Saturday morning.
Perfect. I will bring snacks.
I will bring drinks.
Great. I'm looking forward to it.
At the post office. Hi, how can I help you?
I want to send a letter.
Is it a local letter or international?
It's an international letter.
You need to fill out this form.
Okay, I will do that.
How do you want to send it?
I want to send it by airmail.
That will cost $5.
Here is the money.
Thank you. Your letter will arrive soon. At the doctor's office. Good morning. How can I help you today?
I'm feeling sick.
What are your symptoms?
I have a headache and a fever.
How long have you felt this way?
For 2 days.
I will check your temperature.
Okay.
Your temperature is high. You should rest and drink water.
Thank you, doctor.
You are welcome. Take care. At a cafe. Hi. What would you like to order?
I'll have a coffee, please.
What kind of coffee do you want?
I want a cappuccino.
Would you like it hot or iced?
I want it hot.
Anything to eat with it?
I'll have a chocolate croissant.
Great choice. Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you.
At the gym. Hi, are you new here?
Yes, I just joined today.
Welcome. What kind of exercise do you like?
I like running and weightlifting.
That's great. We have a treadmill and weights here.
I will try the treadmill first.
Okay. Let me know if you need help.
Thanks. I'm excited to start.
At a party. Hi, I'm Alex. What's your name?
Hello, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How do you know the host?
I'm friends with Sarah from work.
Oh, I know Sarah. She's great.
Yes, she is. How about you?
I met her at a conference.
That's interesting. How long ago was that?
About 6 months ago.
That's cool. Let's enjoy the party.
At the supermarket. Hi, can I help you find something?
Yes, I am looking for milk.
The milk is in aisle 3.
Thank you.
Anything else you need?
I also need eggs.
Eggs are in aisle 5.
Great, I will check there.
Have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
Asking for directions. Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
How do I get to the train station?
Go straight, then turn left at the traffic light.
Is it far from here?
No, it's just a 5-minute walk.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good trip.
At the airport. Hello. Can I see your passport, please?
Sure, here it is.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for a vacation.
How long will you stay?
I will stay for 2 weeks.
Great. Enjoy your trip.
Thank you. I'm excited.
At a hotel. Welcome to our hotel. How can I help you?
Hi, I have a reservation.
Can I have your name, please?
My name is Sarah Smith.
Okay, I found your reservation. Here is your room key.
Thank you. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m.
Perfect. Thank you for the information.
You're welcome. Have a nice stay. At the hair salon. Hi, how can I help you today?
I want a haircut.
What style do you want?
I want a short hairstyle, please.
Do you want to keep any length?
Yes, just a little on the sides.
Okay, I'll start now.
Thank you. I'm excited for the new look.
You're welcome. I'm sure you'll love it. At the movie theater. Hi, what movie do you want to watch?
I want to watch a new action movie.
The action movie is starting at 7 p.m.
Perfect. How much are the tickets?
The tickets are $12 each.
I'll take 2 tickets, please.
Here are your tickets. Enjoy the movie.
Thank you. I'm excited to watch it.
At the coffee shop. Hi, what would you like to order?
I would like a hot chocolate.
What size do you want?
Medium size, please.
Anything else?
Yes, I'll have a muffin.
Great. Your total is $6.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your order will be ready soon. At the library. Excuse me, where can I find books about history?
History books are in Section B.
Thank you. Do you have any books on World War II?
Yes, we have many books on that topic in Section B.
I will check there.
Let me know if you need any help.
I will. Thanks again. At a park. Hi. Are you new to this park?
Yes, it's my first time here.
It's a nice park. Do you like walking?
Yes, I love walking.
There is a walking trail near the lake.
That sounds great. I'll check it out.
Enjoy your walk. At the pharmacy. Hi, how can I help you today?
I need some medicine for a headache.
We have headache medicine on this shelf.
Thank you. Do you recommend any?
I recommend this one. It works quickly.
Great. I'll take it.
It costs $5.
Here you go.
Thank you. Take care and feel better. At the bank. Good afternoon. How can I assist you?
I want to open a bank account.
Sure. Do you have your ID with you?
Yes, I have my passport.
Great. Please fill out this form.
Okay, I'll do that.
Once you finish, I'll help you with the next steps.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything. At the bus stop. Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center?
Yes, it does.
How long does it take to get there?
Takes about 15 minutes.
Great. What time does the bus leave?
The next bus leaves in 5 minutes.
Thank you for the information.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
At the post office. Hi, I need to send a package.
Sure. Is it international or local?
It's an international package.
You need to fill out this form first.
Okay, I will do that now.
Would you like to send it by airmail?
Yes, please.
It will cost $10.
Here is the payment.
Thank you. Your package will arrive soon.
In the classroom. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
Today we are going to learn new vocabulary.
What words will we learn?
We will learn words related to food.
I like food.
Me too. Let's start with fruits.
'Kay. I am ready.
First word, apple.
Apple. I know that one.
Great. Next word, banana.
Banana. It's my favorite fruit.
Well done, everyone.